Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kakak. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, I'm Farah and this is my husband Bob. We have 4 kids, Nadra, Ruzain, Ryan and Naila, together with our 2 cats, Yuki and Sakura. We live in Miri, Sarawak. Welcome to our channel. We share a glimpse of our lives and the trip we make around Asia. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you love to support us.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Okay, I'm on the way to the airport right now. I nak balik KL. Tak sabar Raya. I tak sabar memang nak jumpa family I. Hari ni Mr. Bob tolong teman I hantar I ke airport. And then they are all coming on Saturday. Sebenarnya flight I on Saturday, tapi I macam dah tak sabar-sabar. I jumpa satu flight murah AirAsia RM99 sahaja today. So I decided to fly first from the family and they will come after on Saturday night. So I ada majlis hari Ahad and the open house. I'm excited. I memang nak jumpa sangat my mom semua. Okay, see you at the airport atau atas flight. Bye. Hey guys, so I just landed in KLIA tu. Lambat ya, sampai pukul 11 malam. Flight delay 30 minit. So just arrived and I'm walking towards e-hailing. Nak ambil Grab pergi ke rumah adik I. So maybe see you guys tomorrow. Malam ni dah penat. Hi, I having brunch waiting for my friend Kenny Hill. Ooh, that's good. What to order? Let me show you around. Boleh tak kita habis dulu? Kawan I. Ambil gambar. Hi, so I dengan my friend Nancy. So kita orang makan mi tarik kufu ramen. I order dumplings, dry dumplings dengan ni mi tarik apa ni? Bread meat noodle. Makan dulu. Kita nak pergi teman tok ayah buka puasa. Mama elok-elok dekat Muhammad Chan Putrajaya. Tengok ni, so cute. Kita dah order untuk dinner. Ada sup ni. And apa maksud membeli belah? Kita ada order
for lelaki lepas membeli terus belah. Perempuan lepas membeli
classic butter. Bukan classic butter, kita order special. Kita order yang nestem sotong. Yang ni, sotong nestem. Can't wait. This is my brother. My third brother Hakim. Say hi.
Hai.
Boleh. Phone dia tak ada bateri kot.
Sebab dia tahu dia marah Hana.
Kenapa dia marah Hana?
Hana kan Hana, dia kata Hana inconsiderate. So dia Tunggu lama. Kasih. Abang.
Boleh pinggan 01. Ada kita order, Mama order 4
Oh, dah biasa.
Oh,
Tak
okey,
apa,
tak
tak apa. Lupa.
Kata share ngalung sayang.
Pokok. Hello, dessert. Nak cuba. Oh, I thought I bayangkan benda lain. Fish cake. Tak suka sangat, tak sedap. Tu Mama rasa. Dia rasa macam masam. Okey. Ni ayam. Okey lah. Biasa je. So now cuba udang. I terbayangkan Black Canyon, tapi rasa dia bukan macam Black Canyon. Not so to my taste also. Apa lagi dia makan dulu bang?
Okay, kita nak cuba mango sticky rice. I will give you the dessert first. This the mango. Ada ice cream kat tepi ni. I hope mango dia manis lah, baru sedap sikit.
Let's try the mango sticky rice. It's really good. Nasi dia. Boleh ada lagi.
I dah shopping dekat Object. Bukan, ni nak hantar pakai sea freight. So I nak akan hantar benda-benda ni melalui pos saja. Memang takkan ikut I naik atas kapal terbang. My mum tengah shopping dekat Lavender. So tengah beli breakfast. So my dad is also waiting with me. Dia beli bantal dekat Object. Buat tambah bantal sebab my brother is coming. So lepas ni kita orang balik kot. Kita nak pergi makan dekat Q Bistro. Ada ayah Chu, my brother. Ada Mariam. Okay, kita tengok mana kita nak makan. Tapi my dad nak makan tandoori. So most probably makan dekat Q Bistro. Good morning guys. So we are in day 3 here in Putrajaya in KL. So we are preparing for our open house. We are outside going to arrange the tables to be something like this. This is Naila. Okay, lepas ni semua orang breakfast because meja tu nak clear. Lepas ni kita makan mihun, okay? Okay, gentlemen, after this, go get your breakfast. Okay, the food is ready. I dah susun sikit-sikit. Ada papadum, ada dal, ada sambal sotong, daging masak hitam, ada ayam masak merah, nasi minyak dengan nasi serai. Semua ada kat sini. This is my brother tengah tolong because I hurt my back just now. Oh my god, my back. Lepas tu kat sini ada sate, roti jala. Mana roti jala ai? Oh, roti jala kat sana lah tadi. And then ada tahu bergedil. This is my friend yang hantar. And then spaghetti bolognese. My dad punya recipe. And this is mihun. And then I nak susun kuih-kuih kat luar ni semua. Air dekat sini. Ni air panas. And then kita akan letak 2 air balang kat sini. Maybe air mineral ni I kena letak di bawah. I rasa I nak letak kat bawah je lah. Ataupun letak kat bawah senang. Kita letak kat bawah. Alright, that's the wrap up for this morning. Sekarang ni dalam pukul 9.30 kot. Dah 9.30 ke dek? Dalam 9.30 lah. Alright, tunggu kuih pula sampai. Raya.
Raya.
Mana tripod dia? Raya. Raya. Mana tadi?
Dia apa?
Raya.
Raya.
Tahu satu lagi?
Macam penuh.
Sudut belakang. Sama ayah. Maaf saya batin.
Ni suka ada yang
Tambah rezeki. Sehat. Stay kurus. Stay kurus. Ayah tak.
Wih, katanya tangan aku ni.
Raya.
Alhamdulillah.
Mana si Farisa ni? Ni yang malas ni.
Setengah jam lagi dia kata.
Pakai je lah.
Ni suka ada ke? Cuba
Mana?
kau try.
Okey, tukar dengan bapa punya, tukar dengan bapa punya.
Makan. Kawan
Makan,
datang
siapa
tak
yang nak makan
makan.
ni pun makan.
Ni
Ni
kenapa ada?
ambil gambar dulu.
Gambar dulu.
How is it?
Mama dengan ayah dulu coba. Mama ayah dulu. Tepi.
Siapa ready jalan dulu.
But Mama, which one is the bigger one?
Tepi dah lah tepi. Memang kau yang ambil gambar.
Bawah.
Oh. Ni letak kat sini je lah. Settle sikit lah ayah. Nak ke corner. Yang I nak ambil gambar. Watermelon. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kakak. Happy birthday to you. Okay, Naila go. Kakak go. Guys, so I dekat rumah cousin I. Tengoklah ni dia prepare. Datang beraya tapi I pakai baju biasa je. Baju jalan je. Dia makan.
Imagine me that guy. Yo, what's happening?
I got these gifts. So today we are doing a bit of window shopping, and I'm with my sister. So the kids and Mr. Bob are planning to watch some movies. Thank you so much. They are watching the new Minecraft movie, so I thought that I had a one-to-one sisterly time with my sister, and now we are in Chili's at Mid Valley, and then I have purchased a few makeup at Sephora. So I purchased this soft pinch blush matte effect cocoon by Rabbity. This is product, and also a soft pinch wheel tint tree. Oh, this one is French. I don't know how to say French properly. So this is it. So it is a tint, actually a lip tint. So I wanted to try that. So let's have lunch. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is what I came here for. It's the buffalo wings. This is my favorite. Memang sedap gila. I try banyak gila buffalo wings. Memang Chili's buffalo wing is the bomb. And this is what we decided to share. It's prawn scampi. So, bismillah. Very good. Sedap guys. Sedap. Okay, dah habis. No, Chili's I makan 4. Okay. And then my sister belasah 5, I belasah 4. And then this is the scampi pasta. This is the baki. Oh, memang kenyang. Berbaloi. Yum. Assalamualaikum guys. So hi, we are at the airport right now. So we've checked in. No luggages. We all carry in. Hand carry. And right now we are in Chef One restaurant in KLIA. So we've ordered using one of the kiosks outside. So this is the first time we try Chef One, and I just will share the food. So the kids are here. And you can see they are even up here with Muzain and Ryan, and Naila is right here with her unicorns. So we are going back to Miri. Hi guys, kita orang punya flight delay, so terpaksa lah duduk dekat gate yang berdekatan dengan gateway Alls. Budak-budak semua tengah makan. Semua tengah kebosanan. Kita ada lagi masa 45 minit before our gate open. Nanti masuk lah. Tapi tak recommend sangat lah naik Batik Air ni. Murah tapi agak banyak kali lah delay. Kali ni dalam 5 kali kot diorang delay flight. So fikir-fikir lah bila nak naik Batik Air.